What's up guys, welcome to new Unreal Engine 5 tutorials, and today I am going to show you on how to make some really cool shots inside the editor. So let's get started. Alright, so first of all, the first thing that I recommend when you do a shot, as you can see, I just made a little, I guess we could say model, running, and so we can take some cool shots. So the first thing that I always like to do is change the field of view. And normally I choose a closer aperture, as you can see, to get a more zoomed in and let's say cinematic view. So even if I go to 40, as you can see, it does really change, and we can start to achieve different angles and so on. And that's a cool thing that I like to do. Another thing that I recommend to do is to get a controller. Right now I have a gamepad connected. As you can see, I can do cooler shots in this case, instead of by just keyboard and mouse. So let me go ahead and change the play rate of this. Can I change it at real time? Yes. So if I now just go here, I can just go a bit lower. As you can see, with my gamepad and the low aperture, I can just simply rotate a bit my sticks and wait. Okay, so another thing that I recommend to do it easier is just to decrease the camera speed. Okay, now it's easier. So you can see I can start. Let me get my cursor out to do some really cool shots, right? Like this. There we go, there we go. As you can see, we are getting some really cool shots. Now you have to kind of be good with fingers. Like honestly, with the joystick, it's kind of hard to just turn it a bit, But as you can see, we get a really cool effect with a camera. Now we could do a cam rail system and so on with the new 5.3 features, but if you just want to do some quick shots like this is very good. And I'm just using a gamepad and, like I said, low aperture. So that's how you can go ahead and do your own shots in Unreal Engine in a very easy way. So it's like a little tip, sorry. So it's a bit different from my normal tutorials, no code or cool things in this tutorial, just simple tips of how to take shots, okay? So if you found it helpful, I would really appreciate if you could like the video and subscribe to my channel. I have lots of Unreal Engine 5 tutorials, so check them out. Check out my Patreon, YouTube members, join my Discord server, and now yes, well said, bye bye.